Like the video and subscribe to our channel right now and get 1 week of amazing luck. Hello. As the saying goes, teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. A continual stream of amusing footage will be available to him for years if another man with a camera is placed next to him. Just as usual, leave us a like and a subscribe, and let's get started as we look at some of these videos today. Some people go over and beyond to enjoy their time fishing in the utmost comfort. While some people struggle, others rise to every challenge. Another animal that truly feels entitled to a share of another's catch is this one. Someone is fishing in 2123 while we're stranded here in 2022. And oddly, they managed to catch something. I have no idea how one is meant to cook the fish by marinating them in tomato sauce because they can be captured in such an unconventional way. They love to hang out inside of shells and sponges. And yet another unorthodox approach. Come on. Drop this man a like for his innovative method even though the catch isn't that big and the equipment seems suspicious. And the first girl I ever saw catching a large fish was this one. What do you think of that gold-paved fishing road? That's why this trick was pulled, right? It's not about a fisherman's age. You only need to know the right area, or what elderly fishermen mean when they say that fish used to jump straight under their buckets on its own when they were young. Despite the fact that people also steal fish from hard-working, honorable fishermen. Here, the birds are getting fish, but those individuals capture the birds and take their catch. I sincerely hope that people won't allow their feathered friends go hungry. Have you ever wondered why God demolished the Tower of Babel? It was because he foresaw that humanity would soon begin constructing a massive boat of Babel. How a true couch potato fishes is shown here. Such local fishermen, in my opinion, are despised by their hardcore counterparts because their objectives are simply too dissimilar for them to ever comprehend one another. Baseball, basketball, water skiing, and fishing look like absolute mayhem, but everyone appears to be having a good time. He probably forgot that the surface of the water isn't actually hard, which is something you should keep in mind in any business. If only the bag had been a little bit tougher, this guy would not have missed such a great opportunity. The unconventional fishing technique described here states to move the pole to a larger fisher when the catch becomes too large. Keep a watchful eye on your visitors and guests if you have a fish tank, because some of them might be catching your fish when you're not looking. And this dog took advantage of the individuals who were there, but I believe he is an expert by now. Since marlins can swim up to 110 km/h, not even the fastest motorboat can chase them. Catching one typically resembles an F1 race in the world of fishing. You may have experienced the feeling of wanting to take a cool dip in a reservoir near your summer cottage, only to find that someone has already bred large fish there that are large enough to beat you. As you may recall from our earlier episodes, tractors are fairly adaptable pieces of equipment, and today we discovered that they can also be used for fishing. While the catch may not be particularly great, the technique itself is rather fascinating. Wow, this act is only around 3 years old. That's what I mean when I say beginner's luck. I can see that he had something at least the size of a Loch Ness monster on the hook due to the speed with which the capture breaks his rod in multiple places. Since seagulls frequently steal food, it's simple to picture one trying to snag a fish off the hook, as this one is doing. It would be amusing to see a seagull get caught while attempting to steal the bait. The guy merely needs to try not to get tangled and watch out for the catch, even though conceptually this new fishing rod is a little overthought. This video would appear like a scene from a horror film if the guy underwater started attempting to dredge the other guy from the boat into the water. Oh well, it turns out that a shark has also been after this fish, so be careful. Sometimes you can catch a lot more fish in the middle of a water body than from the beach. This guy shows that you don't even have to be knee-deep in chilly water to do that, and you can also bring your friend with you. Oh, and some fishermen wastes their time snagging baby-sized fish by the shore, while others battle to haul their enormous catches out of the ocean and into their boats. Feeling sad for this girl.